Hello and welcome to EduBridge IAS. In this video, we will discuss answers of CSET quiz questions. The first question is, there are 5 tasks and 5 persons. Task 1 cannot be assigned to either person 1 or person 2. So let us say T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5 are tasks. P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 are persons. Task 1 cannot be assigned to P1 person 1 and person 2. Task 2 must be assigned to person 3 or person 4. So it cannot be assigned to person 1 and 2 and 5. So it has to be assigned to these two person P3 and P4. So task 2 can be assigned in 2 ways. So now the task 1 can be assigned in 1, 2 and 3 नहीं, not 3 but 2, क्योंकि P3 और P4 में से एक को टास्क T2 असाइन किया जाएगा. सो इट कैन बी असाइंड इन 2 वेज. टास्क 3 कैन बी असाइंड इन 3 वेज, क्योंकि 2 टास्क यहाँ पर असाइन हो चुके हैं. एंड दिस T4 विल बी असाइंड, टास्क 4 कैन बी असाइंड इन 2 वेज and task 5 can be assigned in 1 way. So we have to multiply it because all the activities are taking simultaneously. So we will get 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24. So C is the answer in this case. The next question is, the monthly income of Peter and Paul are in the ratio of 4:3. Suppose their incomes are 4x and 3x. Their expenses are in the ratio of 3:2. Expenses 3x and 3y and 2y. If each saves rupees 6,000 at the end of the month, their monthly incomes are. So what is the saving? Income minus expenses. For Peter, 4x minus 3y equals to 6,000, and for Paul, 3x minus 2y equals to 6,000. To solve this, we will multiply it with 2. It will give 8x minus 6y equals to 6,000, and we will have to multiply it by 3. So it will give 9x minus 6y equals to, sorry, this will be 12,000. Here 18,000. Here plus minus x, ये जाएगा, equals to minus 6,000. x equals to 6,000. तो इनकम क्या हो गई? 4x, तो ये 24,000, और 3x ये हो गई 18,000. तो आंसर इज A in this case. The next question is, two cities A and B are 360 km apart. A car goes from A to B with a speed of 40 km per hour and returns with a speed of 60 km per hour. So this is A, this is B, this is 360 km. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितनी हो गई? 360 into 2 equals to 720 kilometer, and the speed will, average speed will be total distance upon total time taken. तो टाइम कितना लगेगा? जाने में कितना टाइम लगा है? 360 upon 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो इट विल गिव 9 hours. एंड आने में टाइम लगा है 360 by 60, 6 hours. So this will give 15 hours. तो एवरेज स्पीड 720 upon 50, it will give 48 km per hour. So answer will be B in this case. The next question is, A, B, C, D and F are cousins. No two cousins are of the same age, but all have birthdays on the same day of सेम मंथ, मतलब एक ही महीने के सेम दिन बर्थडे आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स दे हैव उनमें 1 ईयर का डिफरेंस है. द यंगेस्ट इज 17 years old and the oldest is E, which is 22 year old. So 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 and 17, ये तो आएगा E. फिर बोला है F is somewhere between B and D. B, F, D और D, F, B. These are, ये हमें पता है. A is older than B. A is older than B. C is older than D. C is older than D. A is 1 year older than C. तो A is greater than C. यहाँ पर A और C, A क्योंकि एक साल ही बड़ा है तो A and C will come together. तो यहाँ पर क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती है? E is A, C, ये तो होगा. फिर आ सकता है D और F इन दोनों के बीच में, तो ये कैसा आएगा? F, B. एक और पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है E, A, C, B, F, D. इन दोनों केस में देखें, दिस इज 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. तो इन दोनों केस में F is 18 years old. So B is the answer in this case. The next, what is the number of logically possible order of all cousins in terms of increasing age? तो ये है, these two are the possibilities. So B is the answer in this case. The next question is, in a society, it is customary for friends of same sex to hug and for friends of opposite sex to shake hands when they meet. A group of friends met in the party and there were 24 handshakes. So let us see, these are boys or girls and these are girls or boy. 24 handshakes, matlab if there is one boy, there will be 24 girls, or if there is one girl, or there will be 24 boys. There can be 2 boys or girls or 12. फिर कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है 3 and 8, 4 या 6. If we take this case, तो 4 boy or girl will hug each other. 4 boys will hug. There will be 3 hug between them, but A is hugging B and B is hugging A. तो ये कितने के, इसको हम एक ही मानेंगे, तो इसको हम लिखेंगे 4 into 3 by 2. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी आएगा 6 into 5 by 2. ये दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, तो 4 into 3 plus 6 into 5 by 2, it will give 21. So answer is C. The next question is, 2 men and Anil and David and 2 women Shabnam and Rekha are in a sales group. Only 2 can speak Tamil. Other two speak Marathi. So David, Anil, David, Shabnam and Rekha. Only 1 man and 2 women can drive a car. Shabnam speaks Marathi. She speaks Marathi. Anil speaks Tamil. फिर दिया है both Rekha and David can drive. Rekha and David can drive. So if David speaks Tamil, then Rekha will speak Marathi. If David speaks Marathi, then Rekha will speak Tamil. These are the possibilities. So option A is saying both the Tamil speakers can drive a car. No, it is wrong. Both the Marathi speakers can drive a car. No, it is also wrong. Both of those who can drive a car speak Marathi. It is also wrong. One of those who can drive a car speaks Tamil. So this can be the possibility in both these cases. So answer is D. The next question is, in a plane, line X is perpendicular to line Y. This is line X, this is Y, this is X, and parallel to line Z. This is Z. Line U is perpendicular to both U and this is U, this is V, and this is W. Line X is perpendicular to V. So we can draw this line here. Now U will be here like this. Which one of the following statements is correct? Z, U and W are parallel. Z, U and W. It is wrong. X, V and Y are parallel. X, V and Y are parallel. No, it is not correct. Z, V and W are all perpendicular to W. Z is perpendicular to W. V is not perpendicular to W, so it is wrong. The option D is Y, V and W are parallel. Y, V and W are parallel. So option D is correct in this case. The next question is, a cow costs more than 4 goats but less than 5 goats. Price is more than 4 but less than 5. If a goat costs between 600 and 800, which one of the following is the most valid conclusion? A cow costs more than 2500. A cow costs less than 3600. A cow costs between 2600 and 3800. A cow costs between 2400 and 4000. The minimum cost of cow will be, अगर हम इस गोट की कॉस्ट को 600 कंसिडर करें तो 4 इंटू 600 2400 और मैक्सिमम 5 इंटू 800 it will be 4000. So option D is the most valid conclusion in this case. The next question is, in a box of marbles there are 3 less white balls than red ones, 5 more white balls than green ones. There are total 10 white balls. 10 white balls are 3 less than red, so red will be 13 and green will be white are 5 more than green, so then green कितनी होगी 5. तो total number of marbles 13 plus 10 plus 5, तो ये आएगा 28. Option B is correct in this case. You can join our Telegram channel at edubridge_IAS to get the daily current affairs, to attempt daily quiz and for other regular information or activities of ours. Thank you very much.